This one is the doggest of the doggest. Dog.
Girl, you don't know what you do to me. Turn me on.
It's your boy Bongi. I'm back here in another video, and today we're gonna be reacting to HLUBI's news. The nonsense has been going around and whatnot. Let me just give my point of view. So anyway, yeah. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss when I drop every video. I drop bangers and bangers and bangers. But anyway, yeah, man. Please do the most. Share the link. Share to everyone. So anyway, without no further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let me give you guys my point of view of HLUBI's Ndabas. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's right. So anyway, let's start with this HLUBI. HLUBI wants Sima back. Yeah, and there's videos of her saying, yeah, he was in a coma, what, now he came back. The other video, yeah, I'm back to the passenger seat, what, the rightful owner is back and whatnot. Like, okay, sharp, nah. Since they want each other back, sure, aware, since they want each other back, then I'm gonna go skin. I thought Swanabile was right. Aye. Goski booby. I'm gonna winja. Ha. Except you led another hand on. Which is J Amora. You led her on. Expressed feelings to her and made her feel comfortable around you. You took her on helicopter rides, matching outfits. Dog, like, have you seen J Amora? Ngwanolo ki cheapy, son. Like, ngwanolo ki cheapy. That girl is fire. And she got a nice smile, yo. She got a nice smile. Like, even the dimple, bruh. Even the dimple, like, yo. Sorry. Anyway, yeah. Now you let the poor girl on. You took on helicopter rides, dog. Now, all of a sudden, now you're busy with Sima. What? Then you don't even tell the hand. Okay, say 1, 2, 3 is going on. And when you left her with a question mark. You left her with a question mark. Not all the bad shit that you spoke about Sima, yeah, only go back to Sima. You remember that video, bruh? If you're watching this video, you remember. Now look at you now. Like, dog, I was fair, my son. This one is the doggest of the doggest. Dog. Yeah, don't play like that. Don't play like that. Bruh, you let the poor girl on. Got into a comfort zone. As she said, you took her out of a dark hole. And then you put her back in. Like, I'm gonna like, aye, dog, relax, man, relax. If Sima's love of your life sharp, then why are you doing this to the poor hand that has feelings for you, that loves you, the girl that supported you at your awards, dog, the girl that chose you? By you find your match there, your channel there. And this is how you wanna say thank you, Fanaka. Aye, dog. When I know, I'm not hating that, but dog, Ning Ning, you wanna come say you loyal. Fanak. As Joseph Dada likes putting that video. It's fair, man. The doggest of the doggest. Dog. I looked up to you, Donak. I did look up to you, but now, dog, everything, like now I'm convinced, Corey. I go slowly. I should go. I Sonaville is right. Hey, Upobi. Ning, dog. Like, even, like, I don't get you, dog. I don't really get Ghostly get chance now. Now there's a video that was trending this morning or yesterday where his M4 got repossessed. His M4 got repossessed. They came and picked up the car. Now you wanna come Ghostly is my favorite. Sharp, he can be a favorite, but look at reality. Look at reality, dog. That guy's just doing everything for clout. Doing everything that's... Now I'm just gonna say that Ghostly is fake. Ghostly is fake. I'm not gonna lie to you. Ghostly is 999 fake. Even making my throat dry, dog. Like, yo, no. Sky tuna dating. Fix your life, man. Fix. What about Ghost? Sharp, you got your ex Midi back. Sharp, there's no doubt. We're not jealous about that. But we cover who you are now. Like, we're not to catch feelings for you when I'm heard that you put her in ICU. And even she said her heart is burning. After everything she said she went through with you and whatnot. Hi, but anyway, guys, that's all I had to say about my point of view. Anyway, if you liked the video, please like, turn on the notification, share the video to your friends, your mama, your father, your grandmother, and yeah, even use your baby sister, your baby brother's phone. Subscribe. Anyway, without no further ado, I'm out. Away, bye.